We are back to puppy fun with Splash's litter. And she has a little visitor in there, Chicklet. So these Splash puppies are 6.5 weeks old. Let's see if we can tell who's who here. So we have 2 girls. There's one girl. There's the other little girl. And 3 boys. We're talking about the long coats. We have the one I named Mr. Peabody there, who's mostly white. And then Mr. Rumpelstiltskin here with a bigger area of sabled fawn on his rump. And then little Patch. Let's look at everybody here. This is little Patch. He has a little patch of fawn on his tail. And Mr. Rump. He and Patch look pretty similar. His face is a little darker for now, but again, they're all probably going to lighten up. And then Mr. Peabody, the one with the most white. And then the girl, white and fawn girl. And disabled girl. Swimming in the air. So Patch and the sister look pretty similar from above. The girl has a little fawn spot on her, kind of the back of her neck here. Let's see. Right here. And Patch has a little dot on his left hip, looking from above. So the 3 boys in this litter are available to reserve. 2, 3. There's one person on our deposit list trying to decide if she wants to reserve one of them or pass and hope that one of the girls will be available, which I don't know if they will or not. But either way, 2 of the boys are available to reserve. And they will be 8 weeks on September 5th. So that will be the soonest that they will be ready to leave. Chicklet is not available. There's a little smooth coat in here visiting. So I mainly see just playful puppies, playful, happy puppies. I don't see anyone super dominant or submissive or super high energy or super calm. So far I see them all just all around playful puppies. Maybe. Well, I'll be taking more videos soon. If you're interested in a puppy, please visit our website for more information, and I'll put the link below. Stay tuned for more puppy fun.